Hi, this is ZTE Blade V50 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. To mute phone ringtone, we should just move this volume panel with our finger just by this way. Just slide this white dot to the left side. Also, you could make it by another way, just by press to the down volume button, but to use volume buttons to change the phone ringtone, you should switch here in default volume button control, music, video games to the phone. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.